Hello friends, today we'll be discussing the Jetour Dashing, a model from the Jetour brand that's been making headlines lately. If you're looking for an affordable yet well-equipped SUV, or are curious about what Chinese automakers have to offer, this video is for you. Jetour Dashing is a compact SUV from Jetour, a subsidiary of the Chery Group, designed with modern lines and designed specifically for young drivers. Its design is truly striking at first glance. The sharp lines, aggressive front grille, LED daytime running lights, and muscular body give it a stance similar to more expensive SUVs. The rear design remains unchanged. The horizontal taillights and sporty diffuser details are quite appealing. In terms of size, the Dashing is a perfectly suited SUV for urban use. It's neither too large nor too small. Measuring 4.59 meters long, 1.9 meters wide, and a 2.7 meter wheelbase, it offers both a comfortable driver's view and ample interior space for passengers. Moving on to the interior, we're greeted with a level of quality that exceeds our expectations. The digital cockpit design, large horizontal multimedia screen, and seemingly floating center console are all features we're used to seeing in the upper segment. Jetour has truly delivered on this, meeting the demands of the times. The interior is also quite generous in terms of living space. Rear seat legroom is ample and headroom is comfortable. The trunk also has enough space for daily needs. On long journeys, there's ample space for both passengers and your belongings. The materials used in the cabin are beyond its segment. Leather seats, stitching details, ambient lighting. All of this significantly reduces the feeling of driving an affordable vehicle while driving the Dashing. What about performance? Under the hood of the Jetour Dashing is a 1.6-liter turbocharged gasoline engine, producing approximately 197 horsepower and 290 Newton-meters of torque. This power is combined with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. The vehicle offers both agile acceleration in the city and a remarkably balanced driving experience on long roads. This SUV exudes confidence not only in its appearance, but also in its driving performance. When it comes to driver assistance systems, the Jetour Dashing is equipped with many features that are considered superior to its class. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision avoidance system, 360-degree camera support, and more. Such features are crucial, not only for comfort, but also for safety. It's also impossible not to mention the vehicle's smart systems. The Jetour Dashing's software interface is extremely user-friendly. It offers a comprehensive experience with connectivity features such as voice commands, navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Some versions even offer driver-specific customization options. Now, let's talk about the price-performance ratio. Despite all the design, technology, and performance features it offers, the Jetour Dashing is offered at a much more affordable price than its competitors. So, for those who want a stylish, technologically advanced, and comfortable SUV, but don't want to break the bank, it truly represents a serious alternative. So, who is the Jetour Dashing ideal for? Frankly, it's a great fit for young drivers, small families, and tech-savvy drivers. If you're looking for a car that will keep you happy on your commute and won't leave you stranded on the sidelines on a weekend getaway, the Dashing is definitely a model you should consider. Finally, I can say this: Chinese brands aren't what they used to be. Manufacturers like Jetour have made significant strides in design, technology, and perceived quality. The Dashing is a prime example of this. If you have any comments about the Jetour Dashing, don't forget to leave them below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell to be notified of new videos. See you in the next video, and bye!